Hey guys, this is Diana Grade, and today I'll be talking about how people come in your life for a reason, why these problem situation all of a sudden just coming into my life, and just like, boom, why is it only happening to me? Why is it me? Like I see other people's life, it's so easy. They're chilling, their parents are chill, everyone is chill, but you see my life, it's so hard. I can't even get to a point. I can't even move on from phases. I'm still stuck in the same loop. I'm here to help you guys. Okay, if you're in this situation, I'm here to help you. So basically, I always regretted. I was like, why is this person coming in my life? Why is this problem coming into my life all the time? Like, I thought I already knew, I learned my lesson, let's move on. But this thing, this problem, this situation always appeared into my life. And I was so done with my life at this point. I was like, please, please help me. But then there was no one who was there to tell me that people in your life, situation in your life, problems in your life are meant for you. Okay, so basically, there's this quote which I read after suffering. Okay, after suffering all of this, there's this quote. So there's this girl in her Ferrari, and she was going and she was saying that when you come to a stage when you realize that problems are not for you but meant for you, that's it. My drop. That changed my life. I really, I literally paused the video and I rethinked upon it. That the problems which actually come in my life are not there in other people's lives because those people know how to solve it quickly. See, the situation between me and my friend, we both had the same problem, but she solved it quicker and I took a lot of time. And I just realized the problems which come in your life as well are meant for you. And whenever you're suffering problems, do not compare yourself with others that she did this so quick, she moved on so quick, why am I here? Stuck in the same phase for like how many of months? For me, it took 9 months. Like, you cannot even say 9 months, like 1 year to move on from a friendship. And I could not take that, guys. It took me a lot of time. But then it made me realize that thank God it took time because the next time in future anything happens like that, I won't be suffering the same way. So here what I'm trying to say, you guys, is that you need to understand that the situation which is coming right now in your life is to try to protect your future self. If you do not experience now, your future self is going to regret it. So you need to experience this and do not complain that why is this happening to me? Why am I suffering? You need to understand that this experience is coming for you so that you can experience it. And when you change your mindset from that, you will generally solve. I think 50% of your problem is kind of solved over there because you're like, okay, it's meant to come in my life. So what can I learn from it? What should I do? What should I not do? Your brain will start processing in that way. So I think you should keep this kind of mind. Not think. Your mindset is supposed to be that people, situation, problems in your life come for a reason. And this is the book which I read when like 4 years ago. Okay, this book, because of this book, I brought the other books, if you can see over there. And this has truly changed my life as well. So I'll read out one of the quote from this. You can see as a kid, I marked all of this. Okay, I'll just tell you one of the quotes from there. Mm, yeah, okay, here we go. So, life does not battle you because you're weak, it battles you because you're strong. It knows that if it gives you pain, you'll realize your power. I'll tell you one thing. If you haven't, lost that friend or yeah, if you have not lost your friend in your life, you would not know how people are in the society. You would not know how people behave. You would not know how people use you in the name of friends. Tell me, if you would not lose that friend of yours, you would not know how life would be. You would not know these kind of people even exist in this world. And that's the reason why life threw you that problem so that in case in your future self, when you grow up, become very successful, and these kind of people come in your life, you will know way long before in my teenage years, I suffered the same thing, and this is how I responded, and I will respond better than what I responded back then. This is one thing which I want to say that people, situations, problems in your life come for a reason, and they're meant for you, not for you, meant for you. So that you develop yourself, build yourself, into a better version of you. So that's it for today's video. My whole intention was to explain you that experiences, situations, problems are coming in your life for a purpose. They're coming for a reason. You will not, we will never understand now. Okay, I would never understood in the present moment, but when now I decode my past, it was all connected. Just okay, if you really want to, know whether this theory is right or not, decode your past. Okay, if you lost one of your friends or you lost one of the friend group, just think about it. Why did I lose it? Just think of it. If I lost that friend, how did I level up after that? Did I find a better friend? You did find a better friend. If you still did not find up any other better friend or a group as such, you will find. Okay, it takes time. Everything takes time, and you need to have patience. They say like better things come like no. There's a quote, okay, for that. I'll put it in the description, whatever that quote is. But what I'm trying to say here is that you need to take time. You will not get anything instant. Never compare your life with other life that she already has a friend group, regardless of me, not being friends with her. Look at her group and look at my group. People come in your life for a reason. Everything I lose creates space for everything I need. Everything I lose today, I lose a friend, create space for everything I need. Create space for friends which I actually need in life. Not fake friends, not sweet words, not like these silly smiles which look so like as if she's my true friend. No. Just I'll repeat the quote. Everything I lose in my life today, create space for what I need. Let that sink in. I hope you guys enjoy the video. And yes, see you in the next video.